Hey, this is Kelly. I'm up here at Lisa Falls Trailhead in Little Cottonwood Canyon with my friends Josh.
That's me.
And Dan Gleason.
That's him.
We're recording part 2 of the epic weekend with Dan Gleason's visit. So we're gonna head up to the falls and try to canyoneer down them and not hurt any kids on the way.
That's the goal. We'll report back.
Alright, we kind of hit what looks like maybe a little bit of a dead end on the trail, but we might gotta switch to rock scramble mode, get up where we're going. Luckily Josh has got the right foot to tire for badassery. Woo, doggy. That's what I was thinking is the best bet.
If one of these rocks goes, which could happen.
Okay. Was it?
I'm gonna be medevaced out of here.
They got sandals on, so it must be easier.
All right, so we decided to go on a little adventure to find a waterfall to rappel down. In the guidebook it said family fun, toddler friendly, but we figured out how to make it more exciting. Yes.
We decided to take the Alex Honnold route, except for it's all choss instead of bulletproof granite. So it's been kind of fun actually. So far no fatalities. We're all prepared. We're in the appropriate gear and pants. We're having a good time.
But we did end up on a pretty sick little viewpoint. Those trees are so cool. Thumbs up, guys. Got our rappel, getting around, go down the waterfall. up the day and pretty much the vacation. Really fun way to end it with misadventures and then being able to rappel down a little mini waterfall, which I've never done before. Love my buddies out here, super nice. Thanks guys so much for an awesome day on vacation. Can't wait for the next one, flying out early tomorrow morning and back to the real world. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time on the vlog.